I'm gonna show you how I make over $63,000 per month posting long-form videos on the YouTube platform using Claude AI to do 90% of the work for me. But before we get into that, let me just show you that I actually know what I'm talking about. So here is a long-form channel that was started in the last 90 days. It's got almost 1 million views, but from those views, it's made over $11,000 in ad revenue, and the channel has literally less than 5,000 subscribers. Now, this is also why it's so important that you have the right system and that you're not trying to get into YouTube by posting YouTube shorts like all of these gurus are telling you, because this channel right here, it's not even got 1 million views, but it's made over $10,000, proving that the RPM is over $10. Like this channel, it's earning over $10 for every 1,000 views that it gets. I can tell you that it really isn't difficult to get these kinds of views on a YouTube long-form channel. Here's even another channel that was started in the beginning of 2026. It's got 1.5 million views. It's made over $16,000 with only 10,000 subscribers. So this is yet another channel that follows my system and is earning over $10 per 1,000 views that it gets. Lastly, to just take it to the next level and really prove to you that YouTube long-form is what you should be doing, here's a channel that I've run in the past, and you can see that a single video right here has earned over $18,000 in ad revenue. The next one, $15,000, $7,000, $7,000, and then $6,000. Like, these are 5 individual uploads that have made collectively over $45,000, even $50,000. And in this tutorial that you're gonna be watching right now, I'm gonna show you how you can create exactly these kinds of videos using AI in just a few minutes. Now, the reason why you need to take this opportunity very seriously is due to this graph right here. So this is the Google Trends tool showing you how many people are actively searching for the term YouTube automation, as you can see right here, on Google. And you can see that in the past few years, it's been kind of stagnant, pretty low. But just in 2025 and 2026 alone, a lot of people are actually finding out about this opportunity. I've already been doing YouTube for the past few years, but I can tell you for a fact that if you're looking to get into YouTube, then 2026 and 2027 might be the last few years that you can actually establish some authority and get into the business model. So here's this system that you need to be following. This channel is completely created 100% with AI. It's pretty low effort. They've only posted 5 videos, but they already have one video with over 9.2 million views. But if we just take a look at the analytics and reveal how much they've been earning in the last 30 days, you will see that this channel has made over $60,000 in the first 30 days of being started, and this is absolutely insane. So how do you actually go about finding a niche like this? This is where Claude AI becomes super handy. You simply just create an account at Claude, open up the Claude code kind of chat. You want to download the Nextlev connector by pressing on customize, press on connectors, press on add up in the top right corner, and then add custom connector. And then you want to head over to the next website right here. So you want to head over to the website called Nextlev that I've linked in the description of this video. You scroll down on the MCP page until you get to this section right here. You copy the URL that you're seeing right here, head back over to Claude, just paste that in there, name it something like Nextlev, niches, whatever. Press on add. It's gonna say that I already have this installed, since I of course do, but for you, you would simply just press on add, and now the kind of extension to Claude will be installed for you to use. Then you can just open up a new chat like this. You enter a prompt that looks something like the one that I have right here. It says find me 10 niches that have less than 150,000 subscribers. Were started in the last 1 to 5 months, have a viral video, make sure that they're faceless channels, of course, and make sure that they are long form channels and not YouTube shorts. Then just put them in a table format. I'm gonna send this prompt, and you're gonna see for yourself the result is absolutely crazy. Like, the people in the YouTube space have never seen something like this before, because previously, about 6 months ago, you would have to be doing all of this research manually on the YouTube platform, just searching for, faceless videos that actually look good and have gone viral. But now Claude Code can just automate all of this for you. So you're gonna be prompted to give permission to Claude to use a few tools every once in a while. Just make sure to allow all of those. This might take a few minutes, so I'm just gonna skip to that point when it's actually been finalized. So here is what Claude gave us, and in just a few minutes I probably saved a bunch of hours of time doing research. So you can see that we have a bunch of channels. We can see the revenue that they're making, the subscribers that they have, when their first upload was, the link to the channel, of course, top viral video, all the data that we need in order to find a good niche. So let's see if we have something interesting here. For example, this one seems like a good faceless channel, science/disaster/mystery documentaries. Let's just head on over to that to that channel. 41k subscribers. It was started 4 months ago, which is totally fine. Are they still getting views? Yes. Okay, 15 hours ago, 119,000 views. They seem to be uploading twice per day even. Sometimes even 3 times per day. And they are absolutely printing views. So let's see what it is expected to be making in the last 30 days here. $15,000. I can tell you that based on the views that they are getting, they are making way more than 15k. Because they have videos 1 day ago. In just the last 24 hours alone, they've made over 200,000 views. So they are definitely printing more than that. Now, I can tell you that this channel, we can recreate with a single AI tool and make the quality even better than them in just a few minutes. So this is exactly what we're gonna do. We're gonna be using a tool called Vidrush here. I'm gonna put the link to it in the description as well. It is one of the craziest kind of faceless video generation tools, and this is how it works. So we simply head on over to the Explorer channel here. We want to create a competitor to these guys. We take the most popular video, such as the one that says footage from Florida swamps reveals the aftermath nobody expected. Just copy the title of the viral video, then head on over to Vidrush and write make a documentary video about the following topic, and then just paste in the title like this. You can even go back to the viral video here and take a part of the description where it kind of describes what they are creating the video about. Go back to Vidrush and write the video should be about, and then just kind of putting that in there. Now the tool will have full context of what the video should actually be about, and we can simply just go ahead and press on the blue arrow here, initiating the request of creating the video. We're going to be prompted to select a bunch of things here. So this tool is going to generate the entire script. It's going to do all of the research for the video. It's going to find real footage and images online that it can use. It's going to edit the video for you, meaning that you don't even need a freelance editor. It is literally going to do everything for you, which is exactly what we want. Here it found a bunch of like kind of similar outlier topics that it wants to recreate. Let's just take this one, seems to be in our niche. Actually custom URL, so we can even select the viral video that we have here, just copy the link to it, go back to Vidrush, paste that in there, and now we're really going to recreate the viral topic that our competitor had. This is perfect. You can see that it literally found the video itself. Press on continue. We are going to have to select some more things here. Video title, it's already chosen. The voice, you can change the voice to whatever voice you want. I'll just keep this one right here for the sake of the example. Duration, generally you want to match the duration of your kind of competitor's length, but for the example, we're just gonna do 10 to 12 minutes and everything kind of looks good. So let's just press on approve and continue. We are gonna choose the editing style. We can have the this background for our video, or we can just select from a bunch of default ones that they have. So you can customize this to however you want, but I like this one. It's the one that I usually use. The theme as well, you can edit as you wish. For this video, I would go with just a minimalistic theme. Why not? And that should be good. Press on approve and continue again. Here you can choose what the kind of footage the tool should be getting. I'm just gonna approve all of this. I don't have any special requirements, just approve it all. Then here on the next page we're gonna see a cost breakdown, which is totally fine since we don't have to hire a video editor, for example $100 to actually edit this video for us. And you will see that the result from this tool is actually very close to what a human editor would be able to edit themselves, except you're getting it in just a few minutes and you don't have to communicate with any freelancer or even hire anyone. So the result is finally done here. Let's just take a quick look at what we got. You can see that the editing timeline here, we have a bunch of footage, animations, the voiceover, everything. The AI tool has just put all of this together into a single video, and here is the final result.
Burmese pythons erased up to 99% of certain mammal species across the Everglades. Now, after years of record-setting removals, Florida's swamps are showing signs of recovery. But new footage from deep within these wetlands reveals something no one expected. The ecosystem coming back may not be the one that was lost.
So you can see that there's like the voiceover, there's even filters, like the black and white stuff here being input. There's animations at the start of the video showing accurate data of the amount of mammals being lost. Like everything just makes a lot of sense. Now, there were some hiccups in the voiceover that you could fix, but if you have any issues whatsoever with the video, you don't even have to edit this yourself. You can just press here in the top right corner and ask the agent to, make any changes that you would like to the video, and that's done. In order to save the video to your computer so that you can upload it on YouTube, you just press on render video, download it, and now you're ready to launch your first channel. So this process is quite literally what we're following to create videos like this that can generate you tens of thousands of dollars. Of course, your first video is not going to be a hit. YouTube is not a kind of get rich quick scheme where you just make $18,000 off of your first few posts. It's probably gonna take you a bunch of research. There's obviously a lot more that goes into creating a good channel that I can't cover on a video like this. So keep that in mind as well. I can give you one very good tip here when it comes to managing your channel though. So everyone that is running YouTube channels at scale, running 5, 10, 20 channels and creating content at scale, you need to manage your content and your freelancers somewhere, right? And in a simple board kind of software like this, you can just keep track of all of your uploads like I'm doing right here. You can see that I have just labeled every single upload for what date that it should be getting posted. And you simply just manage the videos by having these different columns kind of describing in what stage of the production that it is. I have made a full kind of template for a board like this that is perfect for YouTube automation. I'm gonna put that in the description of this video. So you can simply just click on that link and you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. And you're gonna see that this software is called Cloudboard. It is the best kind of content/team management tool out there. It's already been used 389 times. That is by my students in my private program. So I'm giving you my YouTube automation template here for free since I just want to give you guys as much value as possible. So you would just use this template, create an account for free at Cloudboard, and boom, your first board is now set up like this. And you are ready to go and create your first channel. Apart from that, as I mentioned, there's so much more that goes into starting a successful channel like all of these people have right here. These are all screenshots from students that have gone through my program. For example, like Ash here, he had never had any experience of starting a channel on YouTube ever, yet he was able to get monetized in 3 uploads on his channel. And the first month of being monetized, he made $10,000. The next one, he made what seems to be $15,000 right here. And you can even see, this is funny. So he made $15,000, but YouTube is still telling him that that is below his average performance, which is absolutely crazy. He's now making over $20,000 with this channel. Super inspirational. But that really goes to prove that if you truly have a proven system that have already worked for over 700 people, then the previous experience that you're getting into YouTube with does not matter. It doesn't matter if you're a creative person. It doesn't matter if you don't know how to edit, because this system and this step-by-step process will cover literally everything. We can even go and check more results out here. For example, Don Biggie Don, also making consistently over $8,000 per month with his channel. Also getting into YouTube with no prior experience whatsoever, just working a normal job and being interested in crypto. He started his first channel and it just went super well. You can see that he earned $8,000, but the channel only gained 5,900 subscribers. So it doesn't matter how many subscribers your channel has when it comes to YouTube long form. The only thing that matters is the amount of views that you're getting, and you will simply start getting paid by YouTube. So I of course have a coaching program for this. As I mentioned, we have a very limited amount of spots since we actually coach people one-on-one. I have hired a bunch of professional YouTube coaches. I also coach people myself one-on-one. But if you would like to apply for a spot in the program and join the community that all of these people are in, that have succeeded with their channels, then simply use the top link in the description. And I'll review the application myself. I'll see if you are someone that we might be able to work with. If you are, then super cool. I'll see you in the program. If not, no hard feelings. But that is all for me today. If you want me to create a video here on YouTube for free on any specific topic, simply leave a comment what you want to see. Also leave a thumbs up on the video, and I will see you in the next one.